All right, we got this amazing SLUNSE exercise bike. Amazing for your house. We have it right here in the living room. 350-pound weight capacity. So great if you're trying to get in shape, or maybe you're already in shape and you just want some cardio for the house. Great to have. So this is one setting, the way it looks, as you can see from, if you want to come over to the side just to fully see it. Now, to adjust to make it wider or skinnier, I'm going to come right in here. I'm going to loosen this up. Or sorry, no. I'm going to loosen this up right here. And as I loosen this up all the way, it's going to take a second. This is eventually going to come out. And once it comes out, see, then I can fold it back. I can also fold it the other way where I can make it skinnier. I'm going to go as wide as possible here. And let's put this back in just to show you there's different levels of using this. And you just want to tighten this up all the way before you get on. But that's just to show you there's different ways of sitting on it. So when you sit on it, you can, if you're back here like this, you can just lean back, hold on to this right here. Or you can come up here, grip it like this. And as you're gripping it like this, if you see right here on the screen right here, it's showing me calories, time, speed, all that stuff. So that's amazing. Another thing that's amazing, you got these resistance bands. So as you're pedaling, you can also work your arms as you're pedaling. Great resistance. If you want to create more resistance as you pedal, that makes it easier. That makes it harder. So it's going to be harder to push. And total of 16 levels of resistance here. So amazing. Another thing. Come in right here. You can adjust the seat height right here. So pull that out. And once that's out, now we can move this up or we can move this down. And we'll put that in once we find our spot. And it should be right about there. And now we're in a new spot. So there's that. This folds down when you want. You've also got, this back here, I almost forgot. You want to go over there, and I'm going to pull this. This is actually my first time using this spot, this thing. So right here, can go back like that, or you could even probably go like this. And you could probably even do the other way. So get a great leg workout there as well. But all in all, this is just an amazing home exercise bike. Just perfect. Everything you need. Highly recommend.